Good morning. Myself Kaji Sherpa. I'm a Joint Director Adventure Sections. I have climbed Everest twice. I have led the Indian Civil Service team in 2015 also. So as a part of rescue team in Everest also. And this is our greatest dream project. Right now with my team 20 member from Jangu and my Gantok and my Director Saab. This project is to open the new round track in Sikkim. That will be the 10 to 12 days and that will be the I think best track because you have a chance to go very close to all the mountain of Sikkim. Go towards the Coachella, Kanchenjunga, then you turn towards direct 160 degree towards that side. So we'll cover almost the main part of Sikkim and you connect the two districts. And these two districts, the beauty of the nature is there. You will see the beauty of nature. There's a can't explain. So if you cross this area is a very open valley. But when you cross that valley, you have a very gorge. But that's beautiful is there. There's a lot of multiple waterfalls there. Some waterfalls have a multiple shapes. Some waterfalls are direct falls. And always when the sun rays falls, there's all the time rainbow. And there's one waterfalls I have come across that's in Jangu, Sakyong. This I think in the highest in Sikkim, there's more than 400 feet. That's in the complete gorge. And all the walls have a very honey high. And there's a lot of animals also, and the flora, fauna, they are very rich. And most beautifully, there's 3 hot springs. During trek, hot spring is a wonderful experience. So there's a hot spring. Besides that side, multiple other some caves are there. Okay. One cave, one of my friends from this team told me there's 100 people can accommodate each cave. Okay. Very long time back, many people, especially the pilgrimage people. On there, beside that, there's one sacred place. There's Yangtze Top. There's a Buddhist, one of the most sacred place. A long time back, very high priest there meditated here. Still today, also many people visit there. So that, and some people also believe that beyond this line there is a bayul. There is a door. Is there? Bayul means there is a door to heaven. You might come across the book A Step Away from Paradise. One great Lama visited this area, land visited in 1962. Even he lived on expeditions. So this land is a beauty. The land is beauty. So you all are welcome on behalf of the
Thank you so much, sir. I have one question.
Yeah, please.
What do you think? How much will it be accessible to the common trekkers like us that they don't have any mountaineering technique, any skill, any training? How much will it be accessible for them?
No. For if you cross the Coachella, there is down only. So there is not come across. There's a normal trekker with some basic knowledge. You can come. There's no climbing, nothing. So Coachella will be the highest. This end point, Coachella will be the highest, 16,250. This is the highest. Then towards North Sea and down. Okay. So the main challenge is that the one is the highest, and there's no more technique climbing in. No, this is normal technique, which is sufficient tracker, which is sufficient to cover this track.
Okay.
You need a little bit hot clothes also.
Hot clothes.
Yeah, that's
so common trekkers will easily be able to trek down.
But I suggest not the beginner. At least they should have a 1-2 track in advance so that I have a, because in this track there's no settlement. Number one thing is you just be prepared. There's no settlement. From Yaksom to Sakyong there's no settlement. Totally only nature you have.
Yes. So you think that trekkers like us, who are going to Coachella, they can access this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You can come.
And sir, another question. I want to know about a brief description about your Everest expedition and Panding expedition.
Yeah.
So little.
Panding was my rare because now it's declared sacred. There's no one can climb. So we are the only 7 members. We are the first and the last climber. That's a very long back history. I was very lucky to have. I was a part of Central IB team. So during advanced course, they tried to climb this peak. So I was selected from Government of Sikkim as a part. That was of my very challenging team. I think technically is much difficult. You can see we fixed more than 5 camps, and we fixed around more than entire institute rope is finished here. Still that rope is here because I went up. So that's my pandemic expedition with the Indian IB. The Everest expeditions. First time I was individually, I was with foreign expeditions, but I have a lot of bad experience also. Because one example I want to share you. Beyond South Pole, my oxygen cylinder not started functioning, deformed. So I climbed 2 hours without oxygen also.
Okay.
Then after that, my Sherpa, I was individual one Sherpa from Tanzania. He gave me my oxygen regulator. then I climbed without Sherpa. That's my first. So second time, 2013, I lead the Northeast team. At that time also I have a very, what do you call it, experience also. We stayed 2 days at South Cone because of that weather, but luckily that time also I have submitted. And 15 I got, and the third time also I got opportunity to lead the Indian Civil Service team, flag up by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay. But opportunity that 15 year, the great orchid strike in Nepal. In front of us, many people died. So we stayed there 2-3 days and we helped to rescue the people. So I have these 3 times in Everest, and now I am attached in the Sikkim government as an adventure section head, and also looking after the institute.
What is your future plan ahead?
My main
About the
future, expedition. I've already started to give the experience. I encourage the younger generation to keep climbing. And my now main objective is to revive this adventure tourism in Himachal.
Thank you so much, sir. It's our pleasure that you have us time.
For your valuable time.
Okay, most welcome.